Welcome. In front of me is iPhone XR, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you forgot the screen lock passcode to your device. Well, the first way to access your device if you don't have Face ID installed in such case would be by entering the wrong password several times and then selecting the Forgot Passcode option right here. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to perform the factory reset by clicking this Start iPhone Reset option, and then perform the factory reset. And once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to set up this account, this iPhone as new one, and this will erase all the data from your phone. It's surely worth mentioning. But once you perform the factory reset operation, you will be able to regain access to your device once again. Now, the second method is to use an iCloud service so that you can perform the same thing remotely. So just access your iCloud using any of your other devices, log into your iCloud account, select this device on the list, and perform the factory reset operation remotely from your iCloud account. And the third way to erase your phone is using the Finder application for your PC. So you have to connect your iPhone to your computer and install the Finder application on your computer, and then perform the factory reset operation through this application. And if you don't know how to do this, we have an entire video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step. So if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And the last thing I want to mention is that if you can't remember your Apple ID password, then you should visit the page iForgot.apple.com to recover or reset your Apple ID password. And if you can't reset your Apple ID, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. And for this video, that will be all. I hope that it helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.